Sendiio 2.0 is the first and only autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger under one central dashboard with zero monthly fees. For far too long, marketers have been debating if email marketing works best, or does text message marketing work best, or is it FB Messenger marketing? Truth is, they all work. They're all extremely profitable, and the fact is your target customers are using all three platforms. So why neglect one marketing channel over another? Why not instead use a platform that combines all three of these extremely profitable marketing channels under one central dashboard and blow the lid off of your profit? Well, Sendiio 2.0 allows you to do just that. It allows you to easily profit from email marketing, text message marketing, and FB Messenger. We've combined email, text, and FB Messenger under one dashboard and made it as simple. And you can do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Import your lists and create your campaign. Step 2. Send or schedule your campaigns. Step 3. Generate massive profits from the 3 most profitable marketing platforms. Sendiio 2.0 features 0 monthly fees. During our charter members opening, limited time bonus, agency access included, create unlimited email marketing campaigns, create unlimited Facebook Messenger campaigns, create unlimited text message campaigns, easily import unlimited emails and phone numbers, and much more. The real truth is that they all work. Yup, email marketing still crushes. You already know this. Heck, you probably landed on this page because of an email someone sent you. Everyone still uses email. Big marketers, small marketers, big brands, small brands, local businesses, international businesses, e-commerce stores, Shopify sellers, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy, everyone. Text message marketing crushes. I'm sure you're like me and get about 2 to 3 text message campaigns every single week. Politicians use it, marketers use it, local businesses love it, and they easily get the highest open rates of the 3. And the newest method, Facebook Messenger marketing, crushes it as well. This is catching on like wildfire. FB Messenger bots are the future, and Messenger apps are growing a lot faster than all other social networks right now. Combine the 2 and you get the ultimate recipe for success. You can run a Google search and find endless amounts of case studies of how automated FB Messenger marketing has skyrocketed sales for businesses of all types. What is new in Sendiio 2.0? Tagging automation on steroid, new agency grouping feature, new and improved stat system for campaigns, two-way text messaging, SMS text bot replies, auto link swapper feature, simple importing from any file type, double opt-in plus custom confirmation emails,